How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode on the Miata. You join me today in my freshly swept garage because I'm making room to get underneath the car. Today is a very exciting day because we have some new parts to put on. Today, this is going in the trash. And we're replacing it with this. This is a RoadsterSport 3 exhaust for the Miata. You can just barely see the engraving there on the tip. I've already polished it up. I got this secondhand. I got it really cheaply, and to address all the other rust, I also got a catalytic converter, I got a downpipe, and I got a whole new midpipe. I bought all these pieces from a guy whose Miata got wrecked, so I'm kind of helping him recoup his losses, and I think I got a pretty good deal on him. So let's get to work, let's get the car in and get it put on. The first thing I'm going to go for right here is the connection to the downpipe at the header, and I'm actually going to get to that through the wheel well right down here. I've already sprayed all these bolts the past couple days with some PB Blaster to loosen them up, so I'm not saying it's going to go smoothly, and actually I should probably anti-jinx myself by saying this is going to be a massive project and it's going to take me multiple days with lots of headaches. So now it should go fairly easily. Well, that was fun. I just spent about an hour taking one bolt out of the downpipe. But I'll show you the progress that I've made now. I've gotten those two pieces separated. And under here, I have those two pieces separated. And I think that's the rest of the bolts. So now it's just a matter of getting the back half off of the hangers, and then the whole thing will come down. Sit rep. I got the exhaust off by literally pulling the resonator off of the muffler with my bare hands. The rust helped. And now that it's all off, we can see exactly why it was making so much noise. At the front, this was not connected to anything. Also, this was rusted to bits. This length of that resonator used to be in here, and I just pulled it out with my bare hands. Also, I'm pretty sure all that rust gave me tetanus just from looking at it. Here's the new downpipe. As you can see, this bracket is not loose, it's attached, and there's no other significant rust spots that would lead me to catch any errant diseases or make any rattling noises. the first thing I noticed right off the bat is the throttle response is actually quite a bit better. And I can only assume that it's because all the exhaust is exiting at one point at the back instead of kind of feathering out through all the empty holes in the exhaust. Yeah! Oh, that sounds real good. And when you're decelerating, when you're just coasting, it doesn't have that airy, breathy sound that it did before. And there you have it. That is the new exhaust fitted to the Miata. This is a RoadsterSport 3 exhaust from Goodwin Racing, and this particular one has no resonator in the mid-pipe, but it has the glass-packed exhaust tip. I've been told by the person I bought it from that if you remove that section of the exhaust tip, it actually gets quite a bit louder, but I'm totally happy with it the way it is, and I couldn't be happier with it. Stay tuned for more updates on the Miata. There's going to be a lot more where this came from. I think the next project I'm going to do is taking the bumper off and repainting it. So hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, make sure you don't miss any videos. Leave me a comment, let me know if you want to see anything specific. Give the video a like if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.